Wake up who?
Baby.
Why are you waking Bailey up?
Because
Because why?
I know.
Where's he sleeping?
In bed.
With what?
You're naked.
He's naked.
Yes.
What?
You're not very proud of him.
I'm not very proud of him. Why is Bailey naked?
You want to get an opportunity.
He wants to get another shirt?
Yes.
Oh. Bailey's naked?
Yes.
No way.
Yes. Wait.
Where is he naked at?
In your bed.
In his bed?
Yes.
Oh, man.
You're gross.
He's gross?
Yes.
Do you love him?
Yes.
Very much?
Yes.
Aww.
You're big.
He's big?
Yes.
He's a big boy?
Yes.
Aw, blow Bailey a kiss.